Hey, what's up guys? Dr. M3 here with a new video for you. We're at a new mansion here in Miami on a mansion rally. And to be honest, you're going to be lots of things to come. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let me show you what's going on in this beautiful mansion here down in Miami. Now, look at this. I am home. Let's go. You walk up and then there's this amazing pivot door that brings you in. There are two structures on either side. And it's going to bring you into the main foyer. And look at this. Imagine this is your home. The space here, so you can see those two structures on top, either side. So they're almost like wings, and then there's the main part of the house back here. Let's walk through, go over to the kitchen maybe.
Look at everything.
Wow, hey.
I'm gonna look at it.
Awesome island, amazing. I love the cabinetry here. I assume this is like oh, check that out, all concealed. So that's your oven. Assume this is your freezer, refrigerator. That's pretty cool. And then your cabinetry is here. It's all ghosted though. Deep sink. It's pretty cool. And griddle. So there's a pantry back here, I think. If we go back here. So yeah. So this is like the butler's pantry. You got more freezers and stuff. And then, what do we have back here? Oh, check this out. Keep your store closed. This is laundry, could be like a workout room. And I think this probably takes us back around. Oh, garages. So we're gonna go through there. We'll have to see the garages separately. But so the cool part is you come back here and a couple of extra rooms back here. It takes you out to the main foyer. But right off the main foyer is a secret room. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, check this out. A movie theater. Really cozy. Projector, and it's pretty nice. It's warm, and I bet it's, you know, soundproof a bit, but that is a cool room. So we just showed you the home theater. On the other side, there's a small powder room, and then you walk into your own amazing home gym. Check this out. Got your setup here. There's a around the corner sauna. These guys, these are the new owners, by the way.
Congratulations. Yeah.
God, shower. So while you're working out, you can actually see straight out to your pool and your hot tub in the back there. And of course, there's the canal in the back. So it's a beautiful, beautiful view while you're working out. Let's go take a look at other parts of the house. So this home is also equipped with an elevator that you can go up, but we're gonna take the stairs. Let's go. So, remember that I said there are two halves to the home where there's a catwalk between the two. Let's see it.
Oh, I just got a photo.
Check this out. That's pretty awesome. And the foyer. And so you have two wings of the house. We're gonna go. So we've got some things down here. Again, you can always look back. That's the other half. You can look down at your entrance. Let's see what's over here. We've got a bedroom. Oh yeah. And, I mean, the whole house is fully connected, is what I'm guessing. Cool. All right, let's go. Bathroom, walk-in shower, fit and finish is awesome. And closet, walk-in closet. Maybe another bedroom. Yep, another bedroom. All of these bedrooms are really deep, pretty good size too. And again, ensuite bathroom. This is life. And again, walk-in closet. So we've seen now 2 bedrooms. Actually, yeah, 2 bedrooms. All right, let's go through. Come on through. Stop there. Beautiful artwork. And, oh, I guess this is the master. Just with its own projection. It's pretty cool. All right. And it has access to its own private deck. Let's go out there. Watch your step. Now this is pretty cool. So it has its own dock, pretty modern, and I love it has an infinity pool. The pool actually has a waterfall edge over there. And the only way you can access this is through the master, so. Yeah. This is pretty cool. The indoor and the outdoor space, outdoor grill, just like, oh, it's pretty damn cool, man. Outdoor refrigerators. And then you got an incredible backyard. Look at that. I could just relax out here all weekend. You need to get a boat. Next thing you know, you gotta get a yacht though. You gotta get a yacht. This is Miami living. Check that house out across the way here. That is beautiful.